Hey guys, just wanted to go ahead and make one more video here. This is how to get rid of, this is an inside shower curtain. It's got a few little dark spots on it. I really like this stuff. It's called Fantastic All-Purpose Bleach Cleaner. Obviously you'd want to replace a curtain. It's just the fabric liner curtain, basically, but in the meantime, if you want to just get these spots out, you can just spray. Got one up there too. Just kind of spray these spots. I think I got all of them. And usually it just takes a few minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes or so. I'll come back and I'll kind of take a look and see what they've done in just a few minutes. All right, and we're back about 20-25 minutes later after spraying, and the spots look basically gone. So again, this is just a standard. We went to, it's a Fantastic, and what's the name of it? Fantastic Bleach Cleaner, but this is a plastic just shower curtain. So afterward you can just spray this off with a shower nozzle, or however you want to do it, or just let it be, and the water will kind of clean it off naturally. But I think it did a pretty good job until you're ready to replace it. So just another tip. Thanks guys.